Creating a serene and immersive garden oasis involves thoughtful design, harmonious plant choices, and a balance between hardscape and greenery. Hi everyone! Today's presentation topic is how to design a serene garden. Let's explore some key elements to achieve this tranquil haven. Step number 1. Choose a foliage-forward palette. Opt for a variety of colorful, deeply textured foliage. These plants create an enveloping experience and set the tone for your oasis. Consider using different leaf shapes, sizes, and colors to add visual interest. Mix evergreens with deciduous plants for year-round appeal. Step number 2. Create a backdrop of green. Foster complete immersion by surrounding your garden with greenery. Think of it as a living curtain that envelops visitors. Large trees or shrubs can serve as this backdrop. They not only provide shade, but also create a sense of enclosure and privacy. Step number 3. Define garden rooms with hardscape. In a small space, balance hardscape, paths, patios and seating areas with plants. Patios and pathways help define garden rooms. Use granite pavers or other flat surfaces to cover tree roots and create a stable area for pots and seating. Step number 4. Rhythm and repetition. Like a soothing melody, repeat certain plant forms or colors throughout your garden. This repetition creates a sense of harmony. Consider using mass plantings of a single species or repeating specific shapes such as round shrubs, tall grasses to establish rhythm. Step number 5. Whimsical details. Add whimsy and surprise elements. Sculptures, bird baths, or unique planters can evoke wonder and playfulness. Integrate unexpected features like hidden seating nooks or winding paths to encourage exploration. Step number 6. Understory plantings. Beneath large trees, create an understory layer with shade-loving plants. Ferns, hostas, and ground covers thrive in dappled light. These plants soften the ground, making it inviting for sitting or strolling. Step number 7. Sound and water. Consider adding a small water feature, a bubbling fountain, or a reflective pond. The sound of water soothes the senses. Wind chimes or rustling grasses can also enhance the auditory experience. Remember, a serene garden oasis is not just about aesthetics. It's about creating a space where you can unwind, connect with nature, and find solace. Whether you have a tiny urban plot or a sprawling backyard, thoughtful design can transform it into a magical retreat. Happy gardening! Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Thank you!